I often describe snoring as a cry for help. If your child is snoring, they are crying for help. Please listen to their cry. It's not normal. It is having an impact. You might be told, oh, they might grow out of it. But the reality is, if a kiddo is snoring, that means their airway is shutting down when they sleep at night. And the airway is actually formed as we grow. And so if somebody has a compromised airway while they're growing, you're going to create an adult who has a compromised airway. So it's better to understand that, deal with that, nip that in the bud, than let it get out of control. If you can address these issues when somebody is young, you might be able to prevent not only the issues happening today, but put them on a different trajectory and a pathway for a healthy airway for the rest of their life.